Hi, I'm Mano Marks, developer advocate on the Google Maps API team. This is the second video in a series of 4 designed to show you how to get started with the Google Maps JavaScript API. In the first episode of the series, we covered creating and customizing your first map. In this episode, we'll cover creating an API key. Using an API key enables you to monitor your application's Maps API usage and ensure that Google can contact you about your application if necessary. If your application's Maps API usage exceeds the usage limits, in a very rare condition, you must load the Maps API using an API key in order to purchase additional quota. To get an API key, visit the Google API console at this URL. If necessary, log into your Google account. A quick note about which account to use. If you're planning to use the map for your own personal use, and it'll always be in your control, you can go ahead and use your own account. However, if you're planning to use it for an organization that you work for, consider using a shared Google account that other people can access. That way, if you're no longer working on the Maps project or you aren't available for some reason, others can access the account and receive any notifications that might be necessary. You can also accomplish this by sharing the project with others, but both ownership of the account and ownership of the project should probably stay with the map. That's doubly true if you're creating the map for a customer. To create a key, either select an existing project or create a new one. To create a new project, select the project list and click on Create Project. After you load or create a project, click on the Services tab. Then scroll down to Google Maps API v3 and click the button to turn it on. Finally, click on the API Access tab. Then click on the Create New Browser key. You should see this box asking for domains. Put the domains that you will be using for this Maps API key. This will prevent others from using the API key on their sites. Okay, that's all there is to it. In the next video, we'll cover using the API key when you load the JavaScript API and the basic parameters of the JavaScript loader.